everyone, back again. We got another delivery, so let's go and head into it. Alrighty everybody, so let's head into it. I'm super excited for this one. I'm not actually sure if I know what this one, oh yeah, I do. The front of the parcel just told me, but we have another unboxing of more silver today, and it should be good, really good. Oh wait, what's that there? Could that be a button? No, not a button, a picture telling you guys to subscribe. If you guys feel like it, or if you guys want to learn more about investing in all types of things, please hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out and it will help you out too. Okay, so we've just unboxed and taken it out of the, I guess, express post envelope, and we have the regular envelope. Oh, they have one of these ones now. Okay, so this is one of the envelopes that has those little tear things. Small detail, but I like these little envelopes. There we go. Good tear. Okay, so opening it up. What have we got? Tax invoice as per usual. Gotta give me the details. Oh yeah, okay. So today we are looking at just one more bullion coin, but a very, very nice one. And there's something that I want to tell you guys about, and I guess why this is so significant. So we'll try and open this. It's a bit tightly packed, but I mean, the more packaging, the better, right? So the most significant part of getting this coin is that it sort of completes my triad. And what I mean by that is when I first got into precious metals investing, I really did want 3 coins or bullion pieces in particular, and that was an American silver eagle, it was a silver Canadian maple leaf, and it was this one as well, which I will show you guys in 1 second. If I can get this open. I should probably get some scissors, so we might have to cut and come back when I have some scissors. But this is the third and final coin that I originally really wanted. Obviously there are other stuff too, but this is the South African Krugerrand. So I'll cut right now, come back when I've got some scissors. Alright guys, we got some scissors. Seems like I always need to keep a pair of these with me because they're always my downfall. Always needing to cut something. So we're going to cut in very carefully because I do not want to damage the coin, because this one is actually uncapsulated, if that's a word. Just my bullion dealership was running out of capsules at the moment, but that's all fine because I do have some other stuff that's capsulated that I'd be fine to take out. So we'll be kind of careful with this, maybe hold the edges just because I don't want to damage it or anything like that. So we're just going to get into it here. Quite a dramatic, unboxing here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yep. Yeah, it's good. There we go guys, that's the 2020 South African Krugerrand. So this is a fine silver coin. I don't think it actually specifies, no, it just specifies itself as fine silver. But I believe that these are, at the bare minimum, obviously 3 nines fine, but perhaps 4 nines fine. And I'll just show you guys the other side as well. And I believe that is the current member of power in South Africa, like the government. I don't actually know their name, but I will get a photo of this up close so you guys can see a better thing, and I'll have a look online to see who this actually is on the back, and a little bit more about the coin. So I hope you guys will wait. What am I talking about? Let's head into it now. Alright, here we go. Here is the Krugerrand. I'm really happy with this, as you could probably tell from when I unboxed it. You can even see there on the top right, there's a little thumbprint from when I touched it. So it's a very sensitive coin, but I will put it in a capsule and maybe give it a little wipe with a tissue or something. So it looks pretty good. I know it seems quite simple, but I think that's what I really like the most about it. I really do find pleasure in those really simple but really polished up designs. So I'm really happy with this, and I think it's a perfect end to my original 3 wish list, I guess. So I'm really happy with the Krugerrand. Very simple, lovely design. Fine silver, as you can see, is spelt with a YN there, which might be something from the South African vocabulary. Alright, I hope that I've put some interesting stuff in there for you guys to listen about over the picture. I obviously don't do the voiceovers and stuff in between clips, just because it's much more efficient to just continue to do all the clips and then put them all together and edit. So I hope that I have been knowledgeable about this coin, gathered some knowledge, but you know, a really nice coin. I'm really happy with this. I keep on saying really, but I'm just so happy. So I think I'll put in a picture with the other ones too in a couple of minutes, or a couple of seconds really, so you guys can see the 3 most wanted coins of mine, because I definitely recommend it to you guys, because they're just such amazing pieces of bullion. That's one of the reasons that I really do like silver stacking, and I guess some people consider it silver flipping, is that you can choose things that you really like. I know that I definitely will be hanging on to these triad coins, and even if the price of silver does skyrocket, I might consider selling them, but I honestly really feel like these are some really meaningful pieces of silver that I will hang on to for a really long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll end the video by putting up a picture of those 3, and the usual things will pop up. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Stick around for some more videos, because we are a growing awesome community, which I highly encourage you guys to stick around and subscribe to, because my main goal in this area is to help everybody that is interested in investing, including kids my age. So join the community, join the Investing for Kids area, and even for adults. And until next time, guys, goodbye.